Now, why y'all ain't tell me I look like a unicorn with this bun? Sis, you supposed to look out. Alright guys, so this is my room. I took down all my pictures from my gallery wall. This is just some stuff I plan on packing up for like summer stuff. All my pillows are packed, but this bag is actually broken, so I'm gonna have to figure that back out. I'm probably just gonna repack it in a different bag. I got these bags packed up, but they need to be sealed. Amazon mail, my pictures that I took off the wall, they're there, and this is my light. So my room used to be so cute. This stuff is off the walls, like the pillows aren't there. So I'll insert a picture of what that used to look like for anybody that wants to know. So yeah, you guys come along with me. We're gonna pack this baby up.
Okay.
So this is currently how my closet looks. So you guys can see, I normally hang up all my jeans and stuff. And I plan on doing the same thing at the new place. Well, my own place. And this is my shoe shelf that I got from IKEA. I think it's the Billy bookcase. So I normally put all my purses, like bigger purses, up there. There's one. More shoes, but this is not all of my shoes. I have all my summer shoes and clothes and stuff already packed up, so I can show you guys that in a second. But I keep my luggage down there. Black girl hair bag. More little electronic stuff. And hats and stuff right there. That's just been, you know, that's been the spot for a minute. Okay guys, so hack number 1, you can use some trash bags and put them over your clothes that you want to keep hung up, or you know, like on hangers, so when you get to your apartment you just boom, rip the trash bag off and sit. So I'm gonna show you guys me packing that up now, and let's get into it. So I still have like maybe like a weekend, well, a week pretty much, 6 days before I leave. So I'm just gonna keep a few of my coats out, but everything else that I know it probably won't wear within a week, I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it up. So let's pull out some stuff. So when I first get to my new place, I won't be when I first get to the new area that I'm moving, I won't be in my own place just yet because it has to open up. So I will be staying with my boyfriend. So because of that, I'm going to leave out a few things specifically that I know I will wear while I'm up there. Because, you know, I don't know what that is. But, yeah, I don't want to be up there freezing cold because it's going to be cold. And I also don't want to be limiting myself on options, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to keep out a few things that I know I would probably want to wear still. So that I will definitely be taking to his spot. So let's go ahead and sort some stuff out and see what we got. All right, so I'm doing 2 different piles. One is going to be the, all right, I'm gonna wear that eventually, but I don't need it while I'm there at his place. So this is gonna be hard because I'm not really sure. All right, y'all, I tried to condense these piles, but I'm having a hard time. Like, this is supposed to be the I'm taking it to his house pile, and this is the I'm gonna have it when I move into my place pile, so then I can just hang it up pile. But it's like a lot of stuff, and I really was trying to get rid of a lot of junk because I'm not really sure how big this closet is going to be. I've only seen this place online. I know, but you know, COVID and stuff, and you got to do the virtual tour. And then when I was gonna go tour the place while I was up there, I couldn't get anybody on the phone. So yeah, that's that. But I think everything is good. I've been talking to the girl. She's been sending plenty of pictures. So yes. Y'all think this is okay? This is a lot of stuff. He's gonna be like, what in the world? But I'm gonna bring a clothing rack, so it should be okay. I can hang up my stuff on my own clothing rack. I'm not taking stuff in his closet because it's already pretty much full, so this should be all right. Moving on. All right, you guys, so I am back. It's actually like a few days later, but I got tired that night, so I had to go to bed. But so this is basically the hack that I'm telling you guys about, that I was telling you guys about. So you just put all of your hangers in the bag, poke a hole at the top, and then you can just hang them. And you just want to tie the bottom up. So I'll actually show you guys how to do that now, but I've only got 2 of these bags done, and I still got stuff in my closet. But like this stuff, except like these skirts and stuff, I might actually give this one away because I've had that for a while. But these things I plan on wearing while I'm up there, so they're gonna be like one of my last bags, so I know exactly which bag is the one that I want to, you know, keep out. Still have all my shoes, well, almost all of my winter shoes out. And this side doesn't have too much, but the closet is still full, pretty much, period. Too much junk. Okay, so this is one of the piles. I'm about to show you guys how I put this bag over it, like a little onesie for a baby or something. First things first, grab your bag. And of course, get it all the way open. And then put it over the top of your clothes. And try to get all the hangers in. And then I normally just go to the top and grab the hangers. I think this is too many clothes, so hold on. All right, so putting it over the top, and then I grab the hangers and make a hole in the middle part with my finger. And just put them hangers right through there. And boom. So then you just pick it up and pull everything through. Ooh.
Oh my God! Wow!
Alright. And then for the bottom, I just flip everything that's hanging out inside. And these trash bags have the drawstrings on them, so I just pull those. And tie it up. So now that is done, like easy. Then you get to your place, rip this off, and you're good to go. Now, why y'all ain't telling me I look like a unicorn with this bun? Sis, you're supposed to look out. Let's continue. Y'all, I lied. There's a whole nother room full of junk. I know. Well, not junk, but you know, like my clothes. So this is that pile of clothes I was telling you about in my room. This is where I'm going to put the rest of that summer stuff. So I rolled up everything. I don't know why this is not rolled, but so I rolled up everything so it can be in here, and I will have a storage closet at this unit, this apartment unit, so that I can just put all my summer stuff away until it comes, you know, until summer comes. So this is another bin full of summer stuff, and I probably can fill it up a little more, but I put like my bottoms and like jumpers and stuff in this one, and I think shirts and dresses in that one. So I have a little organization. This, guys, is the clothing rack. Sorry it's a little dark. It's gloomy today. It is daytime, but it looks like it's like night outside. Anyway, that's the clothing rack I will be taking, and it has wheels, so yeah. We'll use that at his place for the time being. Okay, y'all, I lied. It's more clothes, but this is like old stuff that I keep in this back closet, our guest closet. So I will be taking a few of these things. This is my graduation robe. And over here, I had these two things since college. So I put like all my shoes in this top one. My summer shoes. So that is full to the brim, like it's OD packed in there. I can't fit another shoe in that box. But that's where that's going. And when I was at school, I had all of my like cosmetic, hair products, hygiene, whatever stuff in these bins. And I really don't want to take them, but I might just take it just so I can get it to the place that I'm moving to. So yeah, this is like some junk that's in there, you know, like I don't want to take junk, but it's like you might need this, like you might want this bundle if you want to dye your hair again, girl. You need that. Combs, you can never have too many combs. Like, and then this wig band, headband, whatever, never used it, but might want to make another wig, you know. So that's that. And then I had some like developer, some BioSilk for my hair at one point, mousse, all types of junk that, you know, you just need in your cabinets just in case. Some toner, shampoo, toning shampoo, whatever. And then in this bottom one, I have like my craft stuff. So I'm gonna probably try to fit my sewing machine in that bottom one, and I have some more like craft stuff upstairs in my office, so I'm gonna try to fit that stuff in there. This one, I don't really feel like taking that off to show you guys, but I'll show you when I do take it off to try to fit more junk in there. I just wanted to give y'all kind of a detailed look at the stuff that's in this box. This is the NutriBullet I showed you guys in that little mini haul at the end of my last video, and some cake pans, a fryer, an old little mini George Foreman that I love for sandwiches. This little slushy shaker that I never used, but I'm gonna take it with me. And I got a mini crock pot down there, some glassware, forks and knives and stuff, and a cast iron pan back there. So this is just a little bit of kitchen stuff that I'm just going to be packing up. And then I'm probably going to get some more stuff once I get there. And this bin, so this is where all the little decorative stuff from my room went, and some throws just to keep stuff from like bumping up against each other. But like I got this acrylic little bin, so if you want to put makeup or whatever you want to put in there, I'm going to use that for my bathroom. I'm not sure if it'll be on the counter or under the sink, but you know, one of the two. There's like a little glass vase that I had on my little entryway table in my room. I got these from IKEA and I have not used them yet. So, you know, I'm going to probably try to incorporate them in my new place. Some more decorative items and a whole bunch of soap from TJ Maxx and Bath and Body Works. Oh, and some dog shampoo. Forgot I had that. But I put all my pictures like wrapped up in this blanket, and there's some wrapped up in tissue paper. So yeah, just trying to keep stuff from like bumping and hitting on the trip up. Okay guys, welcome to my crib.